Have you ever seen something like this? This is a water spout off the peninsula of Florida. Now, this was caught on somebody's personal cell phone. The video is actually pretty good, but I want to remind you that if you're out and about Southeast Texas and you see something similar to this, which could happen, especially if you're really close to the coast along Cameron Parish or Southern Jefferson or Chambers County, you can see a water spout as well. If you do and you record it on your home cell phone, or if you take a photo of a really cool weather event here in Southeast Texas, well, we want to see it. So email us at 12news@kbmt12.com and we will do our best to put it on the air to share with other Southeast Texans. Take a look at pinpoint Doppler radar. What's going on? Well, we do have one powerful shower, or thunderstorm I should say, out towards Sulphur and Lake Charles. Now, as you can see, this is X-Vision. We've cut into the storm. Here is Beaumont, here is I-10, here is Orange, and over towards Lake Charles looks like about 20, 30, 40, maybe 50,000 foot tall. And there's been about 100 lightning strikes in the last 15 minutes or so. So this could be a stronger cell. It's moving very slowly off to the west. We'll have to see what it does. I don't think it's going to make it into Orange County, but if it does, we'll let you know. And we'll also let you know if it happens to go severe. But we're expecting much more activity as we get into your day tomorrow. Now, the sun was blocked out by some clouds over Southeast Texas regional, and that's why the temperature down to 87 degrees at this hour. Still 94 in Jasper. It was a rather warm, or warmer than it has been for the past few days across Southeast Texas today. And we expect a rather warm day tomorrow. Now, take a look at how we compare with the remainder of the Lone Star State. We are one of the coolest locations. The remainder of the state is in the upper 90s, even the low to mid 100s. So it was a hot day. Take a look at satellite. Not a lot going on. In fact, the activity we see in Southeast Texas along an old frontal boundary, that's about it for the state of Texas. But further to the north, you can see a cold front making its way through Oklahoma and the Ozarks. It's about to stall in northeast Texas, and that's going to be what brings us our opportunity of showers and thunderstorms over the next couple of days. Here's your Gulf forecast for the tropical update. We've got multiple frontal boundaries draped across the Gulf of Mexico. None of these expected to become anything tropical in the next couple of days. The only thing the National Hurricane Center is watching is a small wave in the Bay of Campeche. I want to let you know, though, you can now get your tropical update online at kbmt12.com. It's a very in-depth outlook for the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean Sea, and the Atlantic Ocean. So head to that if you want a little more information. Take a look at the Lone Star State. Not much going on radar. Futurecast, though, tells the story. We're going to go 2 days out with a stationary front just to our north. And every time one of these areas of low pressure rides along the front, we're going to see showers and thunderstorms come out of it. So we can see storms tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening, and again on your Monday. In fact, Monday could end up being a rather moist day across Southeast Texas. Average high temperature only 88 degrees. Let's put this together now for you. Overnight tonight in the Golden Triangle, 20% chance of storms. Till about midnight, we'll see lows right around 75 degrees. Now, that is on the high side of normal for the 25th day of July. For the day tomorrow, high temps right where they should be, 90 degrees with a 40% chance of thunderstorms across the region. So it could be a little bit of a bumpy day. Here is your 5-day forecast. We're going to keep this opportunity of showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for the remainder of your week ahead. Best opportunities, Eric, are going to be on Monday and Tuesday with a 60% chance. We could get some decent rain out of that. But the good news is no 100s, and I know some of the farmers still need some rain, so we'll take it and we'll endure.
Yeah, we won't complain because this is what we've been asking for.
Exactly.
Okay, thanks, Brian.